To embark on this welding journey, we start with selecting the right materials, OPT for the high
sheet
quality
and
steel
stubbing,
steels.
ensuring durability and reliance to the element. The fire pit design is entirely customizable, providing room for personal fires. Hexagonal circular shape offers both aesthetic appeal and efficient heat distribution, but the choice is yours to make. The material in hand precise. Consider the type of welding process that elegance with your skill set and the project requirement make weldings now the easier to use. It an excellent choice for beginners, offering a clean and efficient weld. For those seeking a challenge, stick welding provide a parallel control, resulting accumulate in the aesthetically weld. Now let's dive into the entrance of assembling weld individuals components with care, maintaining a constant bead structure integrity, attention to detail during the phase, ensure with the far pit on withstand the test of time, also include a professional finish. To elevate the project further, consider incorporating personalized element and decorative out lasers pattern to steels patterns transforming the fire pit functional work of art. The customer is not only showcase your creativity but also enhance the overall visual appeal to finished product. As we approach the finishing touch, it's the time addressed to fire pit's service. Sand the weld joint and edges to achieve the smooth polish finish. Applying the high temperature resistance paint to coating not only enhance the fire pit aesthetic but also protect it from rigor of outdoor use. To complete this welding project, focus on safety measures, equip you with proper personal protective equipment including welding helmet, gloves, and bonds. Additionally, ensure adequate ventilation to workspace. Mitigate the risks associated with welding fans. The creation of custom fire pit through precious welding encapsulate the function of artistry and craftsmanship. The project not only refer your welding skills but also yield a functional masterpieces that enhance your outdoor space with graceful planning, meticulous execution, and touch of the creativity. This welding and over promises to the rewarding, visually captivating addition to your project. So let spark fire to embark on the journey, transform raw materials into the functional work of art through the magic of welding. Along the experience is not only rewarding but also ensured get ready to transformation raw materials into functional art. As we develop into the integrated detail, we also execute site welding adventure. So grab your safety gear, fire for your welding rig, and let's dive into the world of hand and metals fabrications. This welding project is more than just an idea, it is innovation to unleash your creativity and forge something extraordinary with your own two hands. From selecting the right materials and tools, execute side precise while as we cover touch into details. This protective offer practice balance between challenge and a scene ability. Into the details, this project offer project between challenge and making it real the common welding issue tips and enhancing. Thank you so much for watching this video.